Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can add someone to your Trello board. So if you have an account, just log in, but if you don't, just sign up. So I'm just going to sign up really quick with a temp email. So just go here, copy and sign up. Click sign up and do the verification and click sign up. Now create workspace, and there you go. Now you want to go to create your first board and just write a board and click create. And now this is how you add someone to your Trello board. You want to go up to here and click share, and all you have to do is paste an email or a name. So, or you could actually share this link board with a link. So create link, and you can copy that, and then you can give that to your team member, or you can use an email. So just say we want to add this one, copy that, and then you go share. And that's how you add someone to your Trello board. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.